Hi everybody. Today I will discuss about deleting rows and rows, columns and columns. Okay. So suppose I want to delete column number C, means column number 3. How we can write the code? You can see the practical approach. Press Alt F11 to move on code editor. Here I'm removing existing code. I'm writing the code sub uh, delete rows column columns. Okay, so this is the name of the macro. First you need to activate your sheet. So I'm writing here sheet 9 dot select. Then which column you want to delete? I want to delete C column. So what you have to write here, you need to write range. You can take any reference of C column. Suppose I want to take here C1 dot entire row, entire column dot delete. So you can delete the C column through this line. So here you can take reference of any row. C should be fixed, row number should be anything. Okay, here I want to take 10 number row, so you will get same action, you will get deleted C column. Okay, so I'm running this code. You can see what is in our C column. In C column we have data of English. Okay, so you can see deleted. Okay, suppose I want to delete range of column. Range of column means B to D column I want to delete. So I will have to write here range B1 to D1 dot entire column dot delete. So I'm commenting this line, which is I have already run. Now I'm running this macro. You can see we have B to D match to Hindi. So you can see now all deleted. You know why we are getting error? Because I have applied here formula. So formula was applied on sum up all subjects mark, but subjects is not here, subject marks is not here. So then what it will sum? So you, that's why you are getting error. Okay, now I'm going to delete alternate column. Alternate column means I want to delete some specific column. Okay, so first I will have to write the data: maths, English, science, Hindi, total. Okay, now I'm creating data through the range between function 110 to 99. I'm taking data up to Hindi. You can see here, copy and paste is spatial. I have created this data. Done. Now I want to delete B column, D column and F column. How it would be possible? So you can write here range B1 comma D D1 comma F1 bracket close dot entire column dot delete. Now you will get deleted B column, D column and F column. B column has maths, D column has science and F column has total. Now you will get deleted a specific column. Done. Now I will let you know how we can delete the rows and rows, row and rows. Okay, so now I'm going to delete row number 5 and row number 7 and row number 9. So now you can see range. First I'm deleting only one row, which is row number 6. Row number 6 has A005, so I'm deleting row number 6. So I will have to write any column reference I can take here, but row number should be 6. I'm taking here B column reference and taking row number should be fixed 6. Okay, dot entire row dot delete. Now I'm running this macro. You can see A005 will be deleted. You can see done. Now I'm deleting a range of rows. Suppose I want to delete here a range of row means row number 3 to row number 6. So how it would be possible? You can see I will have to write here range A3 to A6. Even I can take here B6, no problem for me. But row number should be 3 to 6. Okay. Column number can be column can be anything. Dot entire row dot delete. Okay. Run this code. You will get A003 to A006 means two A002 to A006 will be deleted. You can see here deleted. Now I'm deleting alternate row as per our requirement. Suppose I want to delete row number 1, row number 5, row number 10. Okay, so you arrange A1 comma A5 comma A10 dot entire row dot delete. Run this code. You will get deleted. Complete. Done. So this is rows, row, columns, column deletion. So that's it. So if you are looking any of the training like VBA, SQL, MS Access, VBA, Tableau, Power BI, R, Python, you can come to me for practical approach. I will let you know complete practical training. Okay, you will get excellent knowledge. You will get hands-on experience with me. That's it. Thank you so much.